Hi guys, I'm back with another video and today I'm going to be filming my brow routine. So I look a little bit crazy right now because first of all, I did some eyeshadow yesterday and it's pretty much stained my eyelids. So that's why my eyes are red and it probably looks like they're red around here. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Get that out of the way. Second of all, I only have eyelashes on and they're huge, so without my eyebrows it kind of looks crazy. Kind of feel like Trisha Paytas right now. But anyways, I just want to say this is not me telling you that you have to do your eyebrows this way. This is just the way that I like to do my eyebrows. My eyebrow routine has changed so much throughout the years. So this is just kind of what it is right now. It'll probably change again. Okay, so before we start off, I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys the products that I use. So I use a couple of products. So the first product that I use is the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. And this is in the color Ebony. And this has just been one of my favorite products for like the past 2 years. So I have 2 different colors, but I'm in the color Ebony right now because I have darker hair, obviously. So that is pretty much the main product, but I like to switch through different products. I like to try new products, but so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is in the color Granite, and I'll just show you guys what this looks like. The tip looks like this. It's just a brow pencil, and the end of this one just has a spoolie. So I use that. So I switch between that one and this NYX micro brow pencil. And this is in the color Black. And again, it's literally the same exact product. Except this NYX one is so much cheaper, but they work literally the same. And I end up always reaching for the NYX one. But yeah, they literally perform the same. They do the exact same thing. The next thing I use is this e.l.f. brow pencil, and it looks like this. And this is a little bit of a thicker tip. It helps to blend stuff out, and then it has the spoolie again on that side. And if I really want to be extra, sometimes I use this Colourpop Brow Boss. I really don't like it, but I use it to like outline my brow. Okay, so it looks like this. It literally has the same thing. It has the spoolie and then the end tip, which is sort of like the other one. It's a little bit thinner, but literally does the same thing. It just doesn't have too much. It doesn't have as much pigment as the other Anastasia and the next one, but that's what I use. And then for an eyebrow gel, I use this, it's kind of dirty, but I use this soap. It's from Lush, and this is just the Bohemian soap, I guess, I don't know. And I use some water to obviously use the soap for my eyebrow gel. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I use all those products together. So first step of doing my brows is I like to make the front of the brow hairs stand up. I just really like that look. So I spray my spoolie with water, and then I take some of the soap like that, and then I just make these front brow hairs stand up. I'll do a tutorial on how to do soap brows so that I can get a better in-depth tutorial, but literally you can just use eyebrow gel. I just find that this holds those hairs up longer and better. Okay, so basically what I do with this brow pencil is I outline the eyebrow pretty much. So I draw this straight line from where the hairs that are sticking up stop all the way to my arch here. And it's not like a really defined line or anything like that, but literally you can take, this is just like an extra step of using a different brow pencil. You can literally use the same brow pencil that you're using to fill in your eyebrows. But I'm just gonna go ahead and now take another straight line from where those brow hairs that are standing up stop. Draw a straight line all the way to the end right here where the brow literally like stops. So you just want to imagine like a straight line from here to here, under here. So now I'm going to take my Dipbrow Pomade and I'm just taking a liner brush. You can take any liner brushes. This is the one by Real Techniques. I'm just going to take a little bit. You don't have to take a lot. You don't want to use a lot of this product because you don't want your eyebrows looking crazy, and it's also harder to blend it out. So I'm literally going to do the same thing. Yeah, so I'm not overdrawing them, nothing like that. The only time we really want to overdraw them is when you're trying to get them even, if your eyebrows are a little bit uneven. So, okay, so I pretty much just match that whole top part of the brow. Now I'm going to do the bottom. I try not to fill it in until the very end. So the next part I like to go to or do is the tail. So I start right where the arch starts and just draw a straight line all the way down until it pretty much connects with that part of the brow. I'm just taking little by little. Just want to take a little at a time, build it up. Don't take a whole bunch and then just go in. If you need to, you can always take a spoolie to help blend the pomade out. You start getting up towards here, you want to start taking a lighter hand. Just like to keep this little area open because that's where I'm going to go ahead and blend. So now I'm going to take this e.l.f. brow pencil and I almost feel like this brow pencil has the same consistency as the pomade, so I like to just do like little strokes like so, I can blend that in. So just do a little bit, and then I'm going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz and I'm going to draw a straight line all the way from the beginning of the brow. So now, this is a little bit more of a trickier part because you have to have a really steady hand. You're going to draw straight lines right where these hairs that are sticking up are at. Then I'm going to kind of go in with my e.l.f. one again, just sort of blend that out. Different days, they're a little bit, these marks are a little bit more like pronounced and you can see them more. And then sometimes it's kind of just all blended in together, which is fine. It really doesn't matter to me. I just want to make it look like these hairs at the front are kind of sticking up. I forgot to mention, I use this NYX full coverage concealer. It's just like this creamy full coverage concealer, and I take my Morphe M410 brush that looks like this. I like to take like, I literally like load my brush up, not too much, but load it up. Draw a straight line like literally underneath the brow. So I'm pretty much just carving out the bottom of the brow. So I first like to just like draw a line around the brow, and then I start bringing the rest of the product down. And obviously you're gonna blend that out with your concealer or foundation or whatever you're gonna be wearing. So you're not really gonna see that harsh line there. Now if you really want to, you can take some on the top of the brow and clean it up, but I really don't like doing that. I just really like cleaning the edge or the tail of the brow up. And then I always like go in, tweak it, add more, add less, whatever, until I get it the way I like it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and speed the NYX eyebrow up, but I'll show you guys how I'm doing that. Okay, so this is the end result of what they look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something, that you could take some tips from it or something. But as you can see, the eyebrows make a huge difference to the face. Just kind of frames it all together. If you want to go really into detail, you can look up different eyebrow shapes that are made for your face shape. Because the eyebrows are a very important part of a makeup look. I don't wear these eyebrows every day. I don't wake up and like do my eyebrows like this every day. Nobody has time for that. But I like to do these eyebrows when I'm doing something more dramatic, or I'm wearing dramatic lashes like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.